Hi kids! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some activities in the cool off corner room. On the board it says click on an item on the shelf or on the carpet to help you become calm. So I put together a bunch of activities for you to explore today, and I hope that all of these activities help you to become calm and ready to learn. So the first one I have is a music activity. I'm going to try to show them to you a little bit quick so that you can have time to explore. Sometimes music can help you feel calm. After you explore, you can stay on it as long as you want, but when you're done, pick the X. The next one is a kindness area. In here you can click play and listen to stories.
Kindness is cooler, Mrs.
About learning about how to be kind. So you can listen to any of those. Click the X when you're done. Next, there's a calming rainbow. When you get here, pick play, listen to the video.
Sometimes when you're feeling upset or anxious about something,
and the video will tell you how to breathe as you're following your eyes along the rainbow. Give it a try. Next, I have another one that has some music in it and sounds to help you become calm. When you go here, you can click the hand, and if you're feeling angry, you might make some angry lines with your finger. Or maybe if you start to feel calm, you might make some calm lines. You can also listen to different instruments too. Pick the X when you're done. Sometimes listening to music will help you feel calm. Here's another one that has some sounds in it to help you feel calm and cool. You can move the mouse up and down, across, listen to the sounds. The next one is an art activity. Sometimes people like to do art when they're feeling a little bit of stress or anxious, and that helps them to feel calm too. All you do here is pick a color and click, click, click. You can change colors. If you make a mistake and you want to change what you did, you can pick back, or if you want to clear the whole thing and start over, pick reset. You don't do the activities at the edge of the page, just the mandala here. Click the X when you're done. Next, I have some glitter calming jars. Here you just pick play and you relax and watch the glitter. Just think and breathe while you watch all the glitter. You can watch for as long as you want, but when you're done, pick the X. Next, if you click here, you can draw some lines to show how you're feeling, and then you can listen to it. You can change colors if you want. Hit play. You can add on. If you pick the undo arrow, it erases the last line that you made. If you want to start over, you pick reset. Okay. Click the X when you're ready to switch. Next, I have a pop-it game. A lot of times, pop-it activities.
Let's pop it together.
Help you to calm down.
Tap on the pop.
Pick the arrow to choose different pop-it activities.
Carry on tapping the screen to see the cool pop-it toy. Drag the puzzle pieces to its correct place on the rainbow pop-it.
Keep picking the little arrow to see more pop-it activities. Here on the tissue box, if you pick play, there's a calming story. Watch it for as long as you want, and when you're done, pick the X. If you click on the water bottle, it tells you to
watch the waves on each slide. Imagine what the waves sound like. Click to see more waves.
Every time you click, there will be more waves to look at, and you just use your imagination to think, what would that sound like if I saw that? Click the X to switch. If you click on the fidget spinner, you just press and spin. Press and spin. When you're done, click the X. If you click on the pillows,
sometimes you just need a break or a rest. It is okay to put your head down and rest. Take your time, and when you are ready, you may rejoin the class.
Sometimes you do just need a little break. So if you ever need a break, you can just click here and just put your head down, take a little rest, and then when you're ready, you click the X and you can keep doing some activities. All right, let's see. Oh, and down here on the computer screen, if you pick play,
you are not your thoughts.
There's a little story down here for you to listen to. So go ahead and explore the cool off corner, and I hope that when you're finished, you feel happy and calm and ready for learning.